So a warm welcome to everybody. Today I'm going to take my best out of the month, July. It's biometric authentication. By the way, my name is Mukesh Kumar. I'm from Pondicherry. I have completed class 12. After completing my schooling, I have joined in NTTF Trichy. Currently, I'm doing Diploma in Mechatronics Engineering and Smart Factory. I'm from third year. So let's discuss about the topic. So what is meant by biometric authentication? Biometric authentication is nothing but the each person, individual person having the unique physical characteristics such as a fingerprints that can be used for the automatic recognition. So what is meant by biometric device? A biometric a device which is used to identify and authentication device such as automated methods of verifying the fingerprints or face. So now see about the different types of biometric authentication. So fingerprints and facial recognition, voice recognition, and iris recognition. Now we are going to discuss about the fingerprint biometric. So fingerprint, now in that we are going to see about the attendance system. A biometric attendance system can scan the fingerprints using a physical biometric, capture the scanner to take daily attendance of the employees. So in that fingerprint sensor is used. So a fingerprint sensor captures the fingerprint and convert the physical pattern into the digital format. As you can see here, the fingerprint in that there are some dots. So these dots indicates the individual persons of the uniqueness. So which is converted into the digital format. So how it is work? Basically the biometric authentication, the main system is database. So if you buy a device, you should do an enrollment. In that enrollment, if you punch the thumb will scan which finger, which means it will scan the fingerprints. I mean, as I told before, the dots it will store into the template extraction and will directly go to the template of the storage. It's called the database. After completing all this, if you are going to access the system, once you punch it directly go to the sample and it's directly go to the database, whether the fingerprint is already stored in the database or it is new. So it is go to the template correction and will give the result whether the fingerprint is identified or not verified. It should respond upon the device. So this is a user interface of the biometric fingerprint authentication. So as you can see here, you can change the date and the course code. This is a major plus. Individual person have a different codes, which means you can set the attendance type, lecturer, student, or employee, or like that. In that we can see the fingerprint of the individual person. If you set, there is a separate code for a person. If you are setting a code for a teacher, and there is a separate code like. After setting, there should be a punch on that. The punch will consider the 3 dots and it store into the database. So what is the main advantages of this? So uniqueness. Individual person have the different, as I told before, individual person have the different fingerprints. So their person only can handle it. So enhanced security, only you can access. So easy to is usually you can just punch and go. So what are the disadvantages? It is high cost. If you are implementing a biometric authentication in your college or in employment, it may be too high cost. So hygienic, some people are directly came from a work or playing after the ground, they will come and punch. It may be lead to some hygienic issue. So delay in data entry. Sometimes the data will load because of the problem of Ethernet cable, or there is a power issues. So it may be some delay in entry. So what are the application? So major application it is used in the colleges for the attendance systems. So office of the enrollment of the each employee, and the industries whether the which person are entering into the day shift or night shift. So they can easily access. So thank you guys. I hope you all understand something new today. So thank you.